thank you so much for taking time to come over here and visit with me over on Fritz Rochester Heating and Air's YouTube channel. I'm Fritz Rochester. I'm a licensed Kentucky HVAC master contractor right here in Louisville, Kentucky, guys. And we've got a no cool call for one of my YouTube friends and Facebook friends. It's for my buddy Ken, and he's got a heck of a good channel over there. It's I believe it's still called Ken's Cocktails. I'm not positive, but I will leave a link below. And he makes a lot of great mixed drinks and does some good barbecue and the whole 9 yards. But we're gonna go out here and visit with him a bit, and hopefully it won't rain on us. And then we've got some other things we're gonna be doing. All right, y'all. All right, guys, I'm over here at my buddy Ken's house, and we're on a 2.5 ton Goodman. He said the fan wasn't running on it last night, and I told him a little trick, that little trick of the trade. You know, sometimes it works, sometimes it don't. But I had old Ken come out here, and what'd you do, Ken? You spun it?
I just kind of come out and spun it around a little bit, and just when I kicked it on,
okay,
it started running for a while.
You know, that kind of tells me it's up the capacitor. I mean, if the motor takes off. But anyway, we'll take a peek at it. But here's my great buddy Ken. What you know, like I said, y'all, he's on YouTube here. And what's your channels, Ken?
I got a couple of them. One's Ken's Home Cocktails. It's been kind of stagnant for a little bit, but that other's Ken Rogers, Mostly Outdoors, is the other one. We do some cooking and gonna be getting in some camping before long, so you'll see us there.
Well, cool. I'm gonna leave some links down below and everything. So all right, guys, let me get this pop loose and we'll get right back. All right, guys, we've got a 45/5. We should be getting 5 on our fan side of things. I'd say we got a bad cap. All right, guys, let's get us a 45/5, 440, 370. All right, guys. Okay, guys, I can't stress it enough. You need to test these before, you know, you put them on here. So let's go ahead. And we've got 44.8, which is basically 45. Move over here to our fan. And we've got 5. Okay, let's give this a shot. Hot. And there we go. He's off to the races. All right, guys, I got more calls to do. I told him this thing needs to be cleaned, and I could go ahead and check everything out when he wants to set something up. All right, guys.